Previously, we have discussed what is a term, what is a predicate, and how an atomic formula is achieved by applying an n-ary predicate to n terms. Now, with all these atomic formulas in our pocket, a natural question arises. Is it possible to build more complicated formulas by using the atomic ones as their building blocks? The answer is clearly yes. Indeed, one way, as in the case of the propositional logic, is to use the logical connectives. To illustrate how it works, let us consider these formulas. P4. 4 is an even number. Qxy, x is divisible by y. And finally, Rxy3, the maximum of x and y, is greater than 3. Now, we can apply logical connectives to these atomic formulas in order to build compound formulas. For instance, we can consider the negation of the formula Rxy3, that is, not Rxy3, which reads the maximum of x and y is less than or equal to 3. Similarly, we can apply the conditional connective, taking P4 as antecedent and Qxy as consequent. This reads, if 4 is an even number, then x is divisible by y. Now you have seen how logical connectives function for the predicate logic, pretty much in the same way as they do for the propositional logic. At this moment, you might be quite excited. But hold on, let us consider the following example. How can we express the idea that every cat is lovely? Let's say, in a simple world, where the domain of discourse D consists of only two cats, that is, Chui and Mochi. Let us denote by P the unary predicate is lovely. And now the desired formula can be simply constructed by using a conjunction, that is, P Chui and P Mochi. This reads precisely that Chui is lovely and Mochi is lovely. Perfect. But wait a moment. What if there are many cats? Well, clearly now the workload has been considerably increased. But now what if we're in the real world? How many cats there are? And imagine what a long string we will need for concatenation of all these atomic formulas applied to each cat in the world. But this is not the worst case yet. Imagine if you are dealing with a domain of discourse which has infinitely many elements. For example, what if the set D is the set of natural numbers? In that case, we will never be able to construct the desired formula by using merely conjunctions. That tells us the limitation of connectives. In order to express formulas concerning concepts like for any or for some, we will need some new ingredients to be added into the predicate logic. That is, the quantifiers, which we will introduce in the next section.